You like pointed it right at the string.
Sorry.
That was me.
For Thelma.
Okay, we're gonna go to the can.
Okay, that's good. Next.
Not. She attacked my car. That's personal. Okay, where's my other hand?
In my hand. Write your name.
No.
Well, I'm not that talented.
No, you're shooting it. It's going to make her look up at the
Oh,
walls.
sorry.
Do it like right here.
Let me see. Hold on. I'm gonna write your name. Right here.
Oh, we got that. Okay. Alright, go for it.
That's good enough. That says carry.
Alright. We got some left?
Here. Now, shoot.